Every year, many of us make a list of resolutions. If you need help sticking to your resolution for a healthier 2021, keep watching. I'm Nicole, a reference librarian at McAllen Public Library. If you're tired of juggling healthy cooking with the time crunch in your busy schedule, try 200 healthy recipes in 30 minutes or less. Or try out the American Medical Association's recipes and lists of foods that help to fight heart disease. You can check out these and many more books at MPL. Tip number 1 is to drink water. According to the CDC, drinking water helps to lubricate and cushion joints, protect the spinal cord and other sensitive tissues, allows the body to absorb minerals and vitamins, and flushes out toxins and wastes. Sugary drinks like sodas and energy drinks contain little nutritional value. Sugary sodas can lead to a higher risk of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes, so instead replace with sparkling water. It has the same fizzy texture, it's a non-calorie and non-sugar beverage, and it can help transition to drinking plain water. Tip number 2. The CDC recommends to hack your snack. When hunger strikes, try a healthy treat instead of chips. Chips are low in nutrition and are among the foods most strongly linked to weight gain. They can contribute to high cholesterol levels. So try baked chips or tortilla chips that tend to be lower in calories and fat. Unsalted whole wheat pretzels and air-popped popcorn are low-fat, low-calorie options. Also try edamame, baked vegetable chips, or apple chips. Tip number 3, eat healthy fats. The key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight isn't about short-term dietary changes. It's about a lifestyle that includes healthy eating. Try avocado, coconut oil, olives, nuts, salmon, and seeds, and avoid margarine, vegetable shortening, and fried foods. Managing your weight contributes to good health now and as you age. Tip number 4, do not overeat. Try not to overload your plate with large portions, and make sure vegetables take up the largest percentage of the plate if possible. The CDC also recommends to eat more slowly. If you eat too quickly, you might clean your plate instead of paying attention to whether your hunger is satisfied. Try keeping a food diary for a few days. You can write down everything you eat and the time of day you eat it. This will help you uncover your habits. Tip 5 is food or meal prep. If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, this can lead to shortcuts in the kitchen and you might end up eating unhealthy foods, like frozen pizza or fast food. Try making meals during a time of day or day of the week when you are less rushed. You can choose one day to make meals in advance. Start small by adding in one veggie or fruit in one meal a day, and experiment with the systems and strategies that work for you and your life. These were a few tips to replace unhealthy habits with new healthy ones. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on MPL Adults.